Hello girlies, so today I am going to share how to do this blue smoky eye makeup look step by step. So let's get started. First step is primer, and for that I am using NY Bay orange color correcting primer. Then I'm using this Mars high coverage foundation. I got it for free. I said in my previous video that I am gonna review this product, and here I'm using it on my full face. First of all, it is not high coverage. The one thing I like about it is it has SPF protection. It is blending easily. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. After that, I'm using Swiss Beauty High Coverage Concealer. I blended it with a beauty blender. It is really good and easily blendable. For contouring, I am using NY Bay contour stick. I am contouring my nose for that narrow nose bridge. Then on my cheekbones. Then on the jaw area for a sharp jawline. And I blended it with a brush. Then for blush, I'm using Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. I'm blending it using my fingers only. It's a very pretty nude shade. Then I used compact powder to set my makeup. You can see I'm using a body tape so that the eyeshadow does not get messed up, because I'm gonna work with some vibrant color today. First I took a transition shade and applied on my eyelids. Then I chose this nude shade for the crease area. Then I chose this shade and applied on my eyelids. It is very pigmented, that's why I took very less amount of product. Then I chose this blue shimmer and placed it on the middle. Also used the same shade for my inner corners. Then I removed the tape. If you want a sharp look, then use a body tape. And if you want your eyeshadow to blend naturally into the skin, then don't use a body tape. I also added some eyeshadow under my lower lash line. Then for liner, I'm drawing a sharp wing. Also drawing inner corner wing. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline waterproof mascara. Then I took this brown shade and filled my eyebrows. I don't have any eyebrow kit or pencil to do eyebrows. I use eyeshadows to fill my eyebrows and it works really well for me. Then I brushed my eyebrows. Then I lined my lips with a pink lip liner. Then I'm using this Mars lipstick. It's a pink nude shade. My eye look is bold today. That's why I kept the lips muted. Then I took a neutral shade of eyeshadow and applied on the middle of my lips. Then I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter. Then I'm using a makeup setting spray by Mars. It is really good. And here is the final look. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you can get notified. Bye, see you in the next video.